For the Footstation, we offer two modes: insole mode, which captures data below the ankle, and the FO mode, which can scan up to the thigh. To begin, you'll need to obtain a configuration file. First, visit the Shiny 3D Passport website. Log in and click on Find More Products. Input the serial number of the Footstation, which you can find on the label. After that, you can find the Footstation on My Products and simply click the download button to acquire the configuration file. Import this file and you can start scanning. On the Footstation, you'll notice indicators for left, right, front and back, guiding you on how to position the foot. Let's begin with the left foot. By pressing the scan button to preview the scan, and press it again to start actual scanning. During scanning, maintain an appropriate distance, which can be monitored via the bar on the left side, and keep the scanner vertical to the Footstation, as this mode requires markers for proper alignment. Once all data is displayed in green, click the scan button again to finish scanning. And click Process to obtain the final data. Move the foot as shown in the example and click Continue to align to the coordinate system. In Advanced Settings, you have options for further refined data. In the Advanced Settings, you have options to further refine the data. Simplification reduces the file size, Mesh Optimization enhances the data quality, and remove small floating parts eliminates smaller floating elements based on your specified size. If you wish to scan both feet together, after completing the left foot scan, simply click Switch to the right foot, and you will receive data for both feet after processing. Should you encounter any issues, please feel free to reach out to EinScan support at shiny3d.com.